So this is the Crazyflie research and development platform, essentially. So what we have here is a drone that we manufacture and design ourselves in Malmö, Sweden. And then we have an open source stack that is the enabler for a lot of research and development. So our primary customer base is actually universities and researchers, and mind you also industry players. And they're all gathering around this platform to investigate things within autonomy, in control, in swarm algorithms, in SLAM, in human-computer interactions, etc., etc. So we're really surprised at just how many directions the community has taken this. So in this particular demo we see behind us, it's an example of the autonomy of the Crazyflie. So as you can see in the background, everything that's being done by the drones are being done on device. So they take off from their charging pads, they circle around in the cage in the back of me. And as you can see, the LEDs change colors a bit. So depending on where they are in the cage and depending on the state of the software, they change colors. They also communicate with each other at all times, making sure that they don't collide. So their positions relative to each other are known at all times. And then they find their back to the charging pads. So that is essentially the demo describing just some of the capabilities of this platform.